In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal to Upwork. By the end, you'll have your PayPal account connected and ready for payouts, with a clear idea of the requirements and timing to expect. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Upwork. Click the official result for Upwork.com. It's always a good idea to double-check the URL and look for the secure lock icon to avoid phishing sites. Once you're on the home page, log into your Upwork account with your credentials. After you're signed in, head to Settings by clicking your profile picture in the top right corner. This opens your account settings area, where all payment and identity options live. Before you can add any withdrawal method, Upwork requires your tax information. In Settings, go to Manage Finances, then Tax Information. Complete the form that applies to you based on your location and tax status. Make sure your legal name and address match your payment accounts to prevent delays or rejections. Take a moment to review everything carefully, then save. Now, from Account Settings on desktop, select Withdrawals. Depending on the layout, this may appear as Get Paid. You'll see the Withdrawal Methods section. Click. Add a method to begin setting up a new payout option. From the list of available methods, find PayPal and click Set Up. You'll be redirected to PayPal's website to sign in and confirm that you want to connect your PayPal account to Upwork. Use the PayPal account you intend to receive funds with and make sure it's in good standing. For the smoothest experience, ensure the name on your Upwork profile matches the name on your PayPal account and that your PayPal email is verified. After you authorize the connection, you'll be sent back to Upwork. Once you return, choose your payment schedule for automatic withdrawals. Pick the frequency that best fits your workflow and cash flow needs. If available in your region, you can also keep manual withdrawals in mind for times when you want more control over timing. Be aware that fees and availability can vary by country and account type, so it's worth reviewing Upwork's and PayPal's current policies. One important note: Upwork places a 3-day security hold on any new withdrawal method before it becomes active. This is normal and helps protect your account. After the hold, your PayPal method will be ready to use on your chosen schedule. That's it. You've navigated to Settings, completed tax info, added PayPal, confirmed it through PayPal, and set your payout schedule. Thanks for watching, and happy freelancing.